welcome to my channel. My name is Charlotte Rose and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I use turmeric as a peel off mask to maintain my skin and help stop hyperpigmentation. So firstly, I start off by steaming my face, and everything that I use in this video will be in the description box below. I have only recently started steaming my face, and I know I should have been doing this a long time ago, but it's only recently just entered my routine. And it's also important to steam your face when using this peel off face mask because it helps loosen up debris and dead skin cells. If you haven't seen my video where I use a turmeric face mask for 5 days, I'll leave it up in the iCards. I've been trying to find out different recipes which will be a lot easier for me to maintain because the turmeric face mask was very messy. So to make this peel off face mask, I am using gelatin. All I did was pour a little bit into a cup and then I pour in warm water. The reason why the water needs to be warm is to dissolve all those crystals. If you do not dissolve the gelatin crystals, the mask may be ineffective. So now I just go ahead and stir it to make sure all of those crystals are dissolved. So here is what it looks like after 5 minutes of stirring, and as you can see it's quite a thick consistency and it's kind of yellow as well. The next thing that I do is put my turmeric in, and it's up to you how much you would like to use. To be honest with you, I don't really measure, I just put in any amount that I want to. So my mask is normally different every single time, but this is the consistency that you're looking for. Now this is a very important step because when this mask dries it does get pretty hard. So I then go ahead and put some Vaseline on my eyebrows and on my edges as well. Because the last thing you want to do is to put the mask all over your face and end up pulling off your eyebrow. This mask is also really good if you have a lot of facial hair like me. My sideburns are literally so long. Another thing that I do is put on gloves to protect my nails from staining. Using a cotton bud is okay, but I feel like you can just use your finger. I don't know why I decided to use a cotton bud. I guess I'm just a little bit extra. And if you don't want to remove your sideburns, I suggest you put Vaseline on them as well. As you can see here, this mixture is pretty thick because I've left it on the side while I set up my camera and was filming. So if you do end up leaving your mixture and it ends up going really thick like this, all you need to do is put it in the microwave with a little bit more water and it will become looser. Now I'm just going to apply it to my face. To be honest with you, unlike the turmeric and water face mask that I did, this smells a lot stronger. But I'm getting used to it. And one important tip is to make sure you avoid your hairline and your eyebrows with this mask. Once the face mask is dry, here is what it looks like, and you do want to wait until it is fully dry to pull it off. You'll know when it's fully dry when you tap it and it sounds quite hard. So I start from the bottom to peel it off, and as you can see it's a bit of a struggle because it dries really hard. And if you're not used to it and this is your first time trying it, it is a little bit painful. I have been using this face mask once a week for maintenance and it's been absolutely amazing. I'm so glad that I found something that works for me and that helps get rid of hyperpigmentation. Even though this video is sped up, you do really want to take your time when peeling it off because, as I said, it can be a little bit painful and you don't want to damage your skin. So one thing that you should do with this face mask is really easy clean up. If you leave the bowl to the side, once it dries, you can literally just peel it off and then just wash it in the sink, and it's so much easier than just using water and turmeric as a face mask. Once the mask is off, I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with some black soap and this exfoliating brush. And this exfoliating brush I got from Amazon actually, and the thing that I love about it is that it comes with 3 different heads. So you have one exfoliator which is quite hard, one which is medium, and you've got a massager as well. So I'm going to go ahead with the black soap and I'm going to use the medium exfoliating head. And I really can't get enough of this. It's been one of my favourite purchases of this year. I've been using it non-stop. It is battery powered and it's also waterproof, which is amazing. So now I'm just going to remove the exfoliating brush and I'm going to attach the massage. Now I'm just putting a little bit of almond oil. I'm going to put it on my forehead, my chin, my cheeks and my nose, just rub it in slightly, and then I'm going to massage my face for 5 minutes. Massaging your face improves circulation. So turmeric has really been amazing to me, and I'm really happy that I found something that works to clear up my hyperpigmentation. As you can see, I still got a little bit around my chin. It's still a work in progress, but hopefully soon, if I keep on doing this over maybe a span of a year, that it should all clear up. Let me know if you would try this face mask as an alternative to the water and turmeric face mask. I hope this video was helpful to you. I've really been searching for a different recipe for using turmeric because the last one was very messy, I must admit. A lot of you did try the water and turmeric face mask and absolutely loved it. And I also want to say thank you for all of you for supporting that video. It has 1 million views right now and I'm absolutely shocked. But although I love sitting and talking with you guys, it's my time to love you and leave you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to comment below because I love communicating with you guys. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!